Beam. All right, we got some stuff going on here in the market. Some stuff you definitely want to take a look at. All right, this is Beam on the weekly here. You got your major support level down here. This white line right here. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3 valid touches. It's probably going to be your bull run support line. Okay, it'll probably follow this for more likely the whole bull run. All right, now if we're going to take a look at a few things here first. All right, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that very much, guys. Definitely helps the channel out. The crypto bubbles haven't pulled back here. Bitcoin is getting ready to bounce here. So the last hour we have some stuff turning green. All right, looks like a possible bounce up to the 618, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. USDT dominance. If you're not familiar with that, USDT dominance is when people are selling their crypto and getting into stable coins. Okay, you can see here we on the verge of a break of this resistance area right here, and that would be a major breakout. This is on a weekly. Each one of these candles represents a week. Okay, when the longer you're in a pattern, the stronger the breakout. Okay, now obviously the USDT dominance looks like it's right on the verge of breaking out here. Now if we come over here to let me show you, and this is all ties together, guys. Look at this. All right, we got Bitcoin dominance here. This is very interesting. Stick with me here. All right, we have, look at this, we got a fallen wedge on the daily. All right, you zoom in a little bit closer, you can see here had a breakout of the wedge. That's like a perfect trade. Break out of the wedge with that green candle, a retest here with the red candle. You never, you always wait for a retest to enter a trade. If you don't get it, you don't get it. Let it go. When you get the retest, enter, go. All right. This thing is looking like it's more likely going to turn up. All right. So, but you got falling wedges are very bullish. 8 out of 10 times they break to the upside. All right. Maybe it's a fake out. It breaks back in here. But if it takes off, and we have USDT dominance about to break out, okay, and we got Bitcoin dominance looking like it's going to break out. What does that mean? That means more likely a pullback here. Now, this move here with Bitcoin dominance, this is pretty interesting. All right, so you got this, coming towards that 618 area up here, okay. If it hits that 618, then you could have an ABC with dominance, and that means the altcoins would take off and probably regain a lot of their lost momentum here. But keep an eye on this here, okay? I'm putting an alarm on this thing. It's more likely going to start taking off here. That would all line up with Bitcoin running up to 65,500. If it gets rejected there and starts falling, you got dominance taking over, USDT dominance taking over because of people selling and getting into stable coins. All right, so obviously could have a little bit of red here the next few days, maybe next week. It's hard to say. We'll have to wait this one out and find out. Now with Beam here, let's take a few measurements here. All right, right here it came up, hit a 786, got rejected. The next move down here, it has not made it yet. Then it made it up to that 618. Right here, that's 618. It's gotten rejected so far. All right, now it looks like probably everything is going to make a little bit of a run here. All right, if we move this up here to this whole move on this daily. All right, we're right to the bottom here. Watching everything to make a little bit of a run. Okay, so now you got Beam. The daily looks like it's trying to turn back up here. All right, you got your 12-hour right at the bottom, ready to turn bullish. You got your 8-hour right on the bottom here. Looks like it's ready to flip over, and you got your 4. Your 4 is bullish right now. All right, and if we take a look at this whole thing, the big move, is this 618 up here. Okay, and it's just outside of this resistance here at 0.034 to 0.036. Okay, that's going to be the big area here for Beam. If it gets rejected there, then you're probably looking at an ABC pattern. If it breaks through there, I'll show you. This is the big area. You always get a retracement here. Now we did have that bounce back up here. Right there. This kid fell down. We had this bounce right up here towards that 618. Almost got there. Okay, got rejected off that area. I'm looking for another run up towards that area here. All right, that would mean that this resistance would get broke, but could it be a fake out or will it go? All right, 0.0346, 0.0367. If it breaks, call it 0.037. All right, if it breaks that and it has a daily closing candle in that area, then this thing's going higher. It'd be heading up to almost 6 cents. All right, if it gets rejected here, you could have an ABC pattern coming in here. So we're going to keep a very, very close eye on this area right here. Okay, keep these numbers in mind right here. And remember, that's the area we need to break. That's the 618 and 702. We break above there, we're going higher. We get rejected, we're coming down. All right, so there you go. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Come join us, man. We traded APE today. We're trading AGIX right now. Come join us over in Discord. $14.99 for that membership. We have over 200 members in there. Almost 5,000 subs. Man, it's awesome. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.